So the trick here, this trapezium has a height of 10 centimetres, and it says what's the area. The trick here is to split it up. If you have a look, I'm going to draw a really bad line now, there you are. If you have a look, there's a rectangle and a triangle here. So the area of the rectangle, so if we split up the area of the trapezium into two, is 5.5 times 10. So the area of that individual rectangle is 55 square centimetres, which leaves us with a small triangle. Now if we look at the long side, is the short side of the triangle is going to be 5 centimetres because it's 10.5 minus 5.5. The height of the triangle is 10, so the area will be half of 10 times 5, because remember the area of a triangle is half the area of the equivalent rectangle. So the rectangle would be 50, and therefore the triangle will be 50 over 2, which is 25, and therefore the area of the whole trapezium will be 55 square centimetres plus 25 square centimetres, which makes 80 square centimetres.